What's up, guys? In today's video, me and my friend will be doing a 1v1 fishing challenge. In this video, the goal is to see who can catch the most fish and the biggest fish. Y'all stay tuned to see who wins this challenge.
Dude, the amount of things I can see right now. I thought I was doing last time. You and Brace over here?
Yeah, I have my glasses too.
I was just throwing, just watching them swim around.
You saw one?
Yeah, I was following my thing, bait up now. Took it out of the thing.
Not a bad one. Chill out, bro. I'm gonna get with you right now. Yeah. Alright. 1-0. Not a bad one. You want to count mine? Alright, we'll count it. 1-1. I'll put the release. I'll have the release of my fish in the video.
2 of them.
No way. Dude, he's so small.
Oh, dude. He's literally biting the hook. Thank you, buddy. I'll put you back.
There he goes. Alright, 1-1.
The one that was the bear hook, they never had the hook.
If you'd have caught that thing on a bear hook, bro.
I was about to double up on bear hook.
No. Really?
Yeah, the bunch of the brim of that pond has it. None of the bass though. It's all brim have it. Weird.
I have no clue.
Skip the net full right there, bass. I love this bass.
They had a little one hanging around here earlier when I was over here. I just caught algae like out in the middle.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be all on the bottom. Oh, bass right there. Good bass, good bass. Never mind, he looks bigger than that.
Alright.
There's 2 more right there. They're tiny. God dang, flopper.
2-1 on his little
Dude, he's still flopping.
on his little.
Dude, you look bigger than that.
Show him the fish. Alright, little small guy. Now show him the bait. Whoa, you can't even see it, it's so small. Alright.
Is it like cheeky?
No, it's not cheeky.
Oh, another decent one right there. Another decent one. He's about to eat it. Oh, he's right again. He's about to go. He's about to go get it. He went right to it. Maybe not. He went right past it. Another one coming behind it. Going back
and there goes the release. Okay.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
I gotta catch the bass. Another one back here. A small one. But the one that I have right here was... Dude, when he hit it, it looked like he was bigger than that. I don't know, he just looked big.
You got big bass too, huh?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think yours is bigger than mine.
I don't think so. You caught that long, skinny one.
Yours had a little more meat to it though.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's about the same length almost.
Yeah, we'll just say I have it for right now.
Yeah, another bass, I think.
You got numbers, I have big bass.
Maybe it's good now. No, he's looking at yours now. Yeah, you threw yours in there and all he does is start looking at yours.
Well, he ain't gonna be looking at much.
Ow!
Wish I could've.
Dang.
Wish I could've got my catch on video.
Dude, I need like a micro rod for this sucker. I can't throw it.
Yeah.
I think that's a little bait. Like they don't hold on to it. They just kind of grab it and let go.
When you caught that fish earlier, you didn't even reel, huh? You just pulled the line in.
Oh yeah, I just grabbed it. I had so much flag, I just grabbed it.
Oh.
Yeah, I was literally like this. I just kind of...
Throw right here, 2 bass.
Right.
Just cast out.
Oh,
You might be able to.
always want to go right to it. Go right to it.
One of them might have been one I caught. The other one was kind of small, but
Yeah, I
he'd
see
eat
that
that
one right
little
here.
thing.
This other one doesn't have. See him right here coming?
Yeah. Kind of looks like a brim, does it not?
Yeah, it's a bass. See him?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see him out there.
Oh, he went right to it. He went right to it.
All right, 2-2. Bustin'. Wait, what's the score? Dude, I didn't even hook this dude. All right, dude, these things are floppy today. All right. Nice guy. Bustin'. Woohoo, smoked him. Good release. There he goes. Oh yeah, I see him.
He chased under.
He's just staring at it. Oh. All right. 3-2 now, right?
Yep.
Oh. Man, got him good. Look at that little sucker, that little bait. Woo! That's good
That
for
hurt.
that's good for 3-2 there.
Dude, why are these fish so floppy?
I don't know.
But I'm about to sling you across Africa.
All right, bud.
Okay, bud.
I'm gonna have a whole video and just trying to grab a fish.
Stupid sapsucker.
All right.
Well, 3-2.
3-2.
Everybody got there. Everybody got it. Watch it come up and eat it again. I'm watching it. Oh.
All right, y'all.
One right there. One right there. One right there.
3-2.
I mean, a little bitty guy.
My fish, I didn't even have him hooked. I just set the hook and he flew out the water, but it still counts. So 3-2.
Oh, he's coming. No, this is a brim. That's a brim.
They got a bunch of small fish everywhere.
Turn on. Come on, right?
They got 2 bass right here. Oh, he missed it.
Both of them right there. Guarantee it's okay.
I looked away right when you set the hook.
Oh, got the other little one eating on it. Look at it. I can't
Well, I just turned my GoPro off. Sorry about that, guys. He just had a bass swimming about 100 miles an hour at his bait and absolutely inhaled it. Shout out to the small baits.
Yeah.
What's that, 4-2?
Something like that.
Dude, he came at it like he was...
Dude, he was hungry. He's biting my finger. Chill. He must be a hungry sucker. He's biting my finger. I can feel him just gnawing on it. But I'm trying to get the hook out of here. His mouth is so small, I can't get my fingers in there.
Dude, he engulfed that thing.
Yes.
Alright.
Good.
Nice little bass.
Get a little walk for me.
Alright guys, I just tied on a little crankbait. We're gonna try to go catch some fish.
Dude, you probably catch a brim on that crankbait.
I have.
You know what? Look at that one right here. Oh.
tiny. This water's so clear. Comes up and smokes it. Oh, oh! You saw it?
Yeah. Dude, you got that on video?
I think so.
Dude, the amount of huge brim that are right here. Look, he's coming to a little one. Dude, this one with the white buzz one I need to catch right here.
Alright guys, I got big bass now. I just caught one on this crankbait. Had my GoPro off right when he bit. And I tried to turn it on so I can get the reel in. Look, pretty fat too. Alright guys, this is my new big bass. Pretty fat. Nice one. 3 to 4. And I hold big bass by even more. Bustin'! And there he goes. Caught him right there.